Yo guys, welcome to another episode of Back to the Drawing Board. Yes, I hope you can hear me clearer today, because you know why? We bought a computer mic. We finally got a computer mic. I spent good money on it too, so it better be clear. You better be able to hear me. I gave it a little test and it was okay. So I hope it's okay. I hope you can hear me well. Today we're going over USDCAD and EURUSD. I hope have liked the previous videos. If you haven't seen them, go and watch them. Like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like them, it's okay. I will get better. Hopefully you will like it soon enough. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, any ideas you think I should do as well, let me know. Follow me on Instagram at MajorPipsFX. Yeah, that's it. Let's get into it. So, what you can see on the screen right now is USDCAD weekly chart. Normally I start from a monthly, but I'm going to start on the weekly today and let's get straight into action. What you can see here is a potential rising wedge. We've had 5 touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like it's on its way to make a 6th touch, but that 6th touch will be a rebound of the broken descending trend line that we broke out of. So that might be a retest. I mean, who knows? We could see a bounce or we could see a break and we can go back into that descending, like the bearish mode of things. Do you know what I mean? But let's go into the daily chart and see what's happening. What I do as well, by the way, like after I do the weekly analysis, I come off here and then I go into the daily and 4-hour charts. I like to separate them because it just makes it a bit clearer for me. But yeah, is it the 4-hour chart? I think this is the 4. Let's go into the daily quickly. Okay, that's why I was on the 4-hour chart. The daily chart, we ain't really got much going on, to be honest with you. I don't feel like you can see anything on here that's worth looking at, to be honest with you. So yeah, let's just get into the 4-hour chart where it was before. Yeah, so on the 4-hour chart it's a lot clearer. Yes guys, I don't know if I didn't think I posted it, but what happened was we got a big bearish previously in other episodes, we were looking at USDCAD and there was a head and shoulders pattern. I drew it on here to talk about it for you guys today. It was a head and shoulders pattern. We was gonna see if it goes higher, and I was in it. But I also said if it breaks the support area here and gives it a retest, I will sell, and that's exactly what it did. It broke it came down, it broke. So I was like, okay, let's wait for the retest. You never know, it could just be the market being the market and coming to trick me. But it closed below. It gave us a retest on the next candle too. So I got in short and I got out of it around, yeah, I think around the 1300 area. But normally I wouldn't get out of it, but normally what happens is when the head and shoulder pattern is invalid, what I do is I measure it, because normally you measure the way you would measure your target of a head and shoulders pattern, you measure it from the head to the neckline. So then you would put it on top of the neckline, like so, and that would be your target. But when it's invalid and it breaks the right shoulder and then retests the right shoulder, you just put it by the right shoulder and you measure it that way. So it has a potential to come down to 129684. That would be the original target, but I got out around the 1300s. Do you know what I mean? It's okay. You don't have to go for the whole target. Do you know what I mean? It's not necessary. If you can grab some good pips, you can just grab some good pips. You don't have to stay in there. But yes, we're in a channel which could potentially be like a flag. So we can either get a rebound up to the upside, or we're gonna see a downside towards to be the 6th touch of our weekly rising wedge, like I showed you here. So that would be the 6th touch. We'll see if we get a breakout and a retest for us to go bearish, or we get a rebound and telling us to buy. Just waiting at the moment. I haven't put in any trades on USDCAD at the moment ever since I shorted it from this support at the right shoulder. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for now, to be honest with you. Yeah, so it's a waiting game for me. I'm just sitting on my hands on USDCAD at the moment. But yeah, that's all right at the moment. Let's look at, you know what, we're gonna go over USDJPY as well, if I have the analysis up. But we're gonna go EURUSD first. Hold on. Alright, EURUSD. No. Cool. What's this? 1993. The highest. Okay, 993, 995. When did it start? Oh, it doesn't say. 993 sometime. Cool. All right. Okay, so since 2001, since 2001 we bottomed, and we headed to the upside. We got, this is a monthly chart. This is high, low, high, low, high. Broke this previous high, low, but that's obviously the new high, low, and we made a high. Ever since then, we declined. We've got 3 touches on a descending trend line. So 1, 2, 3. Now we're currently sitting at support. Yeah, we're currently sitting at support at the moment on our monthly. So let's dig deeper. Let's dig deeper into this. Yeah. Cool. This is a daily chart. This is to show what's happened since we've had our third touch. I had our third touch on the trend line from when we've been declining. We came. Yeah, sorry guys, I lost connection. I don't know what happened there, but yeah. So we came down to support. We came down to support, and now just to see what's happening a bit more clearer, let's just go on to the daily. And like I showed you before, the daily chart here at the bottom, when we came down to support from the bottom, we got a head and shoulders, which was a trend change. And from there, we got a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Well, took out the previous high, low, made another new high, low, and came back up, made a high. I mean, we got a double top on the trend line, so that was also another sign of trend change. So when the double top came, we broke through the neckline, and now we're currently sitting on support, which was previously resistance. Cool. Since then, price has been moving sideways. We ain't really had much movement, but as you can see, if we go into the 4-hour chart, we can see that it is in a symmetrical triangle formation. Right, let me just go into my other chart where I marked it out. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got five touches on our triangle. So yeah, so with this, it's a triangle pattern. So what do? Normally we wait for the break and the retest on either side, and we'll see if it breaks to the upper side and get a retest on the upper side, and it gives us price action then to move off it. Then we go bullish. If it breaks down, if it breaks to the downside and gives us a retest, and then it gives us price action for it to go down, then we sell. Trading can be quite simple. You just gotta stick to the rules. If you stick to the rules, you're good. That's about it. If you just stick to the break and the retest rule and how the triangle formation works, do the research, and then yeah, everything should be alright. Also, there's another pattern on this one I want to show you guys. It's more like for the traders. There's a descending triangle here as well. Yeah, we've got 5 touches. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just waiting for a break on either side for me to short, and then even if I short or go long, that's an indication that price will probably still carry on going up, and you can trade actual symmetrical triangle. So that's a pattern inside a pattern. I don't know what more indication you're gonna need. Do you know what I mean? And on top of that, if you follow me on Instagram, there's a head and shoulders here, which is still valid because it hasn't broken this resistance here, and the resistance was the right shoulder. So yeah, that's about it for me. Oh yes, I was gonna go for USDJPY with you guys. So hold on, let me just go for USDJPY. If I can, oh yeah, I said if I have, I don't think I have it up. Sorry guys, I don't have it up. But USDJPY, let me see if I can get it up for you guys. Let me not tease you like that. That's not nice, is it? Hold on. Okay. So month is sorry. So yes, we had a monthly close which closed above. It wasn't a strong close above, but we had a monthly close which closed above a descending trend line here, and I thought this could potentially be a descending triangle, but we got a close above. So I'm waiting for next month's close to see what happens. August today. This is the 1st of August today when I'm doing this. So yeah, so waiting for the monthly close for this month to close. We'll see what's going on there. But yeah, so above that trend line here, this is what we've got. I'm gonna go on to the daily quickly just to show you guys. From the daily, we have broken above. We came back down here from the previous higher high to get a retest, and then we shot up and broke above the descending trend line. Yeah, so I'm in a buy for USDJPY right now. We could come back and see a recess on this resistance bar, and then yeah, that's about it really. I ain't got too much to say about USDJPY. I just think it's up. We broke a major trend line. We came back down for the retest, and we broke above it with a strong bullish candle. So I'm bullish for USDJPY at the moment. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Yeah, that's USDJPY. Yeah. That's it. But thank you for listening. Thank you for coming back for another episode of Back to the Drawing Board. I hope it's not boring. I hope you're understanding. I hope you're learning. I just hope it's going well. I hope just leave comment, like, subscribe. If you have a problem, if you don't like it, just tell me what you don't like about it. Like I'm all for critical feedback. I don't mind good or bad. Follow me on Instagram, MajorPipsFX. And I'll be here next week for you guys. Just give me a shout. We'll go and see you again next time. Peace.